Menteri Rangba kajela hakalai pau trik leber, ula Plie ki project bakat South Point Ripway klur tingka, bankin tiu ya ke kamri nyang rendia bat ki kampen mi ksai, bat than jan, belate pun ke eri rering, innovation, spinning and empowerment, e-rise, Haribhoi district, kenang bankin tiu ya ke yok akan, jong ki kat ars pak tali ki long yeng, ling ba ki jaka ai jingbam, kiyeng ri knyang ki bala banyale persha ya ka jingkala ha ka sin beneng bat ki jing thang sai ba pandan kam da ka boarding ha ka ni ka jingalang ka bala long madan football Umsniang patarim u menteri rang ba ula bu ru ya umau nongrim bantai ka Umsniang mini stadium kat ba ka jela kadang penkre ban penlong ya ka national games ha u arja penyo ha ka ni ka sngi la ya don lang ru u menteri ka tanat CNRD Ubak Sustenance Sotun MLA ke Umsniang Dr. Silingdo MLA ke Nongpo Meryl Bons Im Deputy Commissioner Nalor ki Upsar bat ki wei ha ka jingkran u konrad ulapan kan mau ya ke program CM Connect ke balalong ha Umsniang ha ki ni sau benai baladam ha ba pen pau lor ki jingdawa jeng ki pat ba ka ba kan thop na du ki street light ha du ki kam sam hapo jong ka jal jeevan mission na luar ki wepat ya kaba kasorkan kelada penshim kya ban pen urlong matang hapo saub nai menta kajing pen kre bantai ya kani ka mini stadium kelaya shashat Menteri rang ba ula ong baki dan haduk palan nyawa jar ki nongri nyang rendia bat ki nong than jan Haribhoi district bat on kershan ki da kapali kaban sedang na kini kat ars pa tali ki long yeng ki badan ha ki art tali ki cluster na ki san tali ki blong ki ban yok mar lai po jar tingka shikli ula ong ru baka jingbe tingka ka ba South Point Ripway klur tingka ha ka ni kam kan wanra ya ka jingyo jingkan ka ban kan syaka kendai point lai pun klur tingka shisnam ha ka ba ka ni ka jingyo nong kan wan syaka sorkar Henry shakinong yo benta bat kinong ram ula ong ru baka thong bahakmat jong ka e-rise kalong ban la ban pen mi bun ya ki sop knyang ban pen kala sha uksai ban yo nong khambun bat ru ban kin tiu ya ka yo kam yo jam hai ki jaka nong kindong kin tiu kerdan ya ki jingte bat pen klan ya ka jing pen ya so sha ki yo ki han na ka benta ki SHG ka ban lampan sha ka jing kiyo ka jing yo kamai ki dong ram ha ka baya day bat ka Umsniang mini stadium u konrad ula ong baka ni ka day ka jing ang nun plus lambha jong ki pat ba ka than bat pen pawe ka jing kemen ba ula la ban bu ya umau nongrim kani ka project ka kan thop ya ka jing siang ya u natural football turf na lor ka jing shna ya ka gallery bat ki nala ba na road ka madan halor ki weipan ka ban kan South Point nyop wei klor tingka ha ka ni ka sngi u menteri rang ba lambat ki wei ki kan ram ki lendan kila IT ya ka e-rise machine net bat ki check sha ki nong yo jingman toy bat samru ya ka MSS DA training certificate sha ki nong ri do kha Uba Sustenance ha ka jingkran ulapan pau baki ni kisen jam balashim ki pen i ka jingpen na jingmut bayai teng jong sarkar ban pen klan bat ken tiu ya ka yok ka kat ha ki thai nong kin dong bat ban pen ko bor ki nong shong shnong ling ba ki thong ba phero pher kum ka e rise bat ki wei
I'm meeting with the Honorable Finance Minister of India, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman. And she was telling me, she said, Conrad, do you recognize this sari? And for a moment I could not. She told me this is Aries silk sari from Meghalaya. This is the Aries silk that Meghalaya has made, and we have made a sari out of it. And I am wearing it today. India's finance minister has become a person who is promoting and marketing the Aries silk from Meghalaya. It's a great honor for the farmers. It's a great honor for the people of Meghalaya. And apart from thanking Madam for promoting the Aries silk sari by wearing it herself, I also would like to thank our finance minister and the Honorable Prime Minister. My meeting yesterday was a very important meeting. as you are all aware, because of the new 16th Finance Commission recommendation, Meghalaya was losing almost 2,000 crores of direct taxes or the devolution of taxes every year, 2,000 crores, which means in 5 years, 10,000 crores was what we were losing. But after our request to Finance Minister and to Honorable Prime Minister, I'm happy to tell you that we have received communication, which is why I met Finance Minister yesterday, that they will be supporting all the hill states and coming out with a special section and under SASKI to support the hill states. And for this financial year, coming year, the Finance Ministry is supporting Meghalaya with over 2,000 crores to make up for that particular deficit. And hence, this is a very, very important step, and it is something that will really help all the hill states, whether it is Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Sikkim, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, all the northeastern states which were affected because of the new formula will get relief. So once again, I thank the Honorable Finance Minister and especially the Honorable Prime Minister for this very, very important decision that was taken by them to ensure that the Prides of the Hill program was launched, and that will help small states and hill states like ours to overcome the financial problem because of the new recommendation of the Finance Commission. So friends, once again I congratulate all of you. I am very happy that apart from the mini stadium and the e-rice program, we also have the Aspire and the program for the online counseling and coaching, and that is something that also will help the students at large. So I congratulate all the stakeholders who have been involved in making that a possibility. So without taking much time, I know it's been a long day. I also have got a couple of programs still left in Shillong. I once again thank all the organizers for organizing this wonderful program. 15,000 for them to construct those huts where they can grow the cocoon. They have already been trained by MSSDS. They will get the spinning yarns, what do you call this? The machines, the spinning machines, it's right there, where they can spin their own yarns. And where they used to sell the cocoon for 700, today they will be selling for 3,500, the processed yarns. And that yarn then will be sold to our textile entrepreneurs, and the money will go to the farmers directly, and it will remain within the ecosystem right here. And we have calculated that after spending 4.5 crores for this system to be put in place, we will be getting back returns of almost 10 crores per year. Every year, 10 crores of additional fund is going to come, not to government, but to all the beneficiaries who are sitting out here. And these are the kind of interventions that are going to make the difference. It's the same thing. Everything is the same. There is nothing different. We're doing it, as I always say, we're doing it differently. It's the same cocoon, but we're adding value to it. It's our same people, but they are now trained. It is the same yarn, but it's going to be now made here in Meghalaya.
Aganisni Niawan Mansaki Nagamanta Gineki Artali Ki Benta Ki Bakong Santam Agavidei But the foundation Lade Yaka Jingbo Mau Nongrim Yaka Umsniang Mini Stadium Kaba I local MLA Juki Ilare Banbatai but halfway Kabentaru Kumka official launch Jonka project e-rice and distribution of assets, Shaki beneficiaries, Lade, Shaki nongrim, Kibede, Hakajingtan, Yakinikijan, Kiba, Kariboy district, Kadon, Hakajingpaunam, Kamtam, Nagawunsa, Kaerism. Nasobanay ke Jiro, baka burom ke bakrau, ya ka missionary leadership, kajong honorable chief minister jongi, usah kaurat ke sama, halor kajing, yo ichngai bat kajing, lenade kajing IT kajuru, nagagunsa kumno banwarra, ya ke jela kajongi. Bahkan langla on Q step abarok dibenta.
Sir, today, in every heart, in every thought, and on every lips of the people of Umsniang, the only word that comes to the mind is thank you. Thank you because when you visited us on the 27th of November last year, it was exactly 4 months ago. And in these 4 months, the mini stadium has materialized. In these 4 months, the solar street lighting for Umsniang town has been completed. In these 4 months, the water problem that we face has been solved partially and little bit is still left.